Merry Christmas everyone! Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Thank you. Maraming salamat sa 725 Golden Rose. Ito si Jason Paul sa Marilyn, sa around area. Hello, good evening everyone. Maraming joining movie and so many people. Kay Julia, Carlo, and kay Boy, and kay David.
Everybody, let's give them a space to walk onto. Again, to all the ticket holders, pwede na po tayo pumasok sa Cinema 7. Once again, sa lahat po may mga tickets na, sa lahat ng may mga tickets na, pwede na tayo sa loob ng Cinema 7. Of course, thank you again, SM Cinemat, EDSA, maraming salamat po. SM Cinemas, thank you very much. Of course, natayap natin ang SM Cinemas for return to Japan. Kaya mag-bumili na kayo ng dalawang tickets for Grand Raffle entry of a round-trip ticket to Japan with accommodation. Alright, thank you very much.
Thank you po, God bless mo.
Of course, Hyacinth and God, thank you for joining us. Maraming salamat. And don't forget everybody, if you already have photos and videos of our event tonight, please post it on socials, tag all the artists, the stars, and here on stage. Okay. There we have it. Lumis nila ang isa't isa. Ganun, feeling ko tayo magbarkada yung shoot nila doon sa Japan. Okay, a few words lang, just hello, hi.
Hi again and thank you. Merry Christmas. But December 25, alam niyo na naman yun kasi yun ang palabas ng film ko. So, sana ko support na
Good evening ulit sa inyong lahat. Thank you for joining us. Let us know what you think about the movie after nyo siya napanood. We'll really appreciate the reviews and the feedback. And please do help us spread the word about the film and of course support all the other films alongside Holy Ghost. Yun lang.
Yes, let's start for sinong nahulog? Sino yung nahulog? Grabe din ako kalimutan. Let me grab the microphone, Julia, para makapag-photo kayo together on shore. Okay. It's time for a photo! Julia! Photo! One more. Center muna tayo. Center. 3, 2, 1. This time, a little for joining us this evening. And of course, ayan, nandiyan na po ang ating stars. They are already walking towards our photo wall. Hold on to this Christmas, December 25 po yan. Sabay-sabay natin panoorin ngayong Pasko. Ang pelikulang pinaka nakakakilig at kaantigal ang ating mga puso. Alright, everybody, and good news sa lahat ng bibili ng 2 tickets, mag-hold the cash po yung alam para sa trip to Japan.
Hello po, ayun, December 25, nasa-ending sa Metro Manila Film Festival. Julia Carlo, medyo Japanese dito sa pelikulang Pintutan in Japan, ang galing Japan. So, yun po. All to love this Christmas.
Ayan, entirely in Japan yan. Karang sa Japan, doon talaga sunod yung Goldfield. Kaya nakaka-excited na rin dito mga JP. Grabe